Jim Cramer's has got some thoughts on Kraft Heinz versus Whole Foods.
Yeah, no,
Jim.
Kraft Heinz, big action alerts name, and frankly, we sold 100 right before the bell because we were so afraid it had run up so much, but that was wrong. We were not. We were too cautious. We still have a lot. The quarter was magnificent, and they had 1% organic growth, but that's a big change from last time. The raw costs have dropped down dramatically for the product, and they're starting to get some help from a weaker dollar. I know we have a strong dollar for the last couple of days. That's bad, but it's funny that Kraft Heinz could do well and Whole Foods do well at the same time. So Whole Foods is like the anti-Kraft Heinz. And Kraft Heinz, they do a lot of selling, service selling, like Cisco, SYY kind, to restaurants. So they have really good numbers. But Whole Foods, I didn't like the comparable store sales number, so I can't jump up and down and buy it. Brian Sozzi has amazing stuff. He just covers this thing incredibly well, like he does so much retail. But Whole Foods is buying back a lot of stock. And they do have this 365 coming out. If 365 is amazing, then I think you start feeling better about Whole Foods. That's their kind of millennial, stripped down, in a less expensive thing. But I still am a comparable store sale number guy, and they did -3 comps, so I can't be too excited. They did, Sprouts had a deceleration. That's competitors still had positive comps. Sprouts had a deceleration. Hain reported a good number. I had Irwin Simon on last night, and it looks like that the natural and organic category and the anti-GMO category is very alive and well. So I can understand why Whole Foods would go up. I'm not completely enamored of it, so I see the 365. The fact that Kraft Heinz is going up is largely international because the brands that they have are in your pantry, and pantry usually doesn't sell well.
It's not too late to get into Kraft Heinz, though, right?
Well, you know what? This is such an uncertain market. You can find that stock down too, and you can buy it.
All right, Jim, thanks. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.